The YuChip FinPIX Air curved LED display is designed for premium indoor commercial applications, balancing performance, structure, and installation efficiency. The video presents a tailor-made curved LED display for a studio client in France with a fine 1.25 pixel pitch. Custom cabinet cutting allows the screen to seamlessly match the wall's curved design. A 7680 Hz refresh rate combined with 16-bit grayscale ensures flicker-free visuals and accurate color reproduction for close and prolonged viewing. The 29mm ultra-slim cabinet reduces overall weight while maintaining strength, improving flexibility for wall-mounted installations. The cabinets were cut into 150 330 7.5mm units and assembled according to the customized curvature requirements, meeting the aesthetic and structural demands of showrooms and commercial spaces. The full front maintenance design eliminates rear access requirements, reducing installation constraints and long-term maintenance costs. Curved displays combined with 3D content enhance visual attraction and elevate brand presentation value. YuChip FinPIX Air is a reliable indoor LED solution for projects that demand quality, efficiency, and refined design.